Hi, I'm Jörg, Product Manager at Ego. Today, I'm proud to introduce you to the Ego cs1810 chainsaw, a powerful, ergonomic, and intelligently designed tool that's built with a modern homeowner in mind. Whether you are trimming back overgrown branches, cutting firewood for the colder months, or tackling weekend DIY projects, this chainsaw delivers the performance you need with the comfort and control you want. The cs1810 is a key addition to our residential chainsaw range. It fits perfectly between the cs1810e and the cs2000e, offering a mid-range solution that balances power, precision, and ease of use. It is designed for domestic users who want professional-grade results without the complexity or weight of commercial tools. If you are looking for a chainsaw that's powerful enough for demanding tasks but still easy to handle, this is the one. At the heart of the cs1810 is a 2.5 kilowatt high-efficiency brushless motor. This delivers a chain speed of 22 meters per second, which means faster, cleaner cuts and less effort on your part. Whether you are working with hardwood, softwood, or anything in between, this chainsaw powers through with confidence. It is built to handle a wide range of cutting tasks with speed and consistency. One of the first things you will notice when you pick up the cs1810 is how well balanced it feels. That's thanks to a redesigned battery slot that shifts the center of gravity closer to the user, making the tool feel lighter and more compact. The ergonomic grip and thoughtful weight distribution reduce fatigue, especially during longer sessions. It's a tool that feels natural in your hands and that makes a big difference when you are working outdoors. The cs1810 is more than just powerful. It is easy and comfortable to use. It features an integrated LED display that shows you the speed settings, the chain brake status, plus the light setting for work under a dense canopy. With variable speed control and a responsive chain brake, you're always in full control of your cutting experience. Additional features like the metal bumper spikes provide extra grip and stability during cutting, while the semi-chiseled chain ensures a smooth, efficient cut with reduced kickback. The cs1810 comes with an 18-inch bar and chain, but we also offer 14 and 16-inch bar and chain options as accessories, so you can choose the right setup for your specific needs. Whether you are pruning, felling, or cutting logs, there's a configuration that fits the job. Compared to competitor models, the cs1810 stands out with its superior chain speed, low vibration levels, and a more intuitive user interface, all powered by our industry-leading 56-volt arc lithium battery platform. The cs1810 is more than powerful. It is a saw that's easier to use, more balanced and more efficient. It's a reflection of Ego's commitment to innovation, performance, and user-focused design. Ego, power beyond belief.